What is WordPress? WordPress is a content management system globally used to create gorgeous and functional websites. In fact, WordPress powers over 33.6% of all the websites on the internet. Yes, more than 1 in 4 websites that you visit are likely powered by WordPress. Also, WordPress is open source, which means anyone can use or modify the software for free. A CMS or content management system is basically a tool that makes it easy to manage important aspects of your website, like content, without needing to know anything about programming. The end result is that WordPress makes building a website accessible to anyone, even people who aren't developers. So here in Inventive Media, we will teach you how to create your ideal website. So, what is WordPress? It's one of the simplest and easiest way to make your ideas come to life. So come join us.